Hi, welcome back to the new school year. My name is Cara Jordan, and I'm the teacher of the deaf and hard of hearing for the Duxbury Public Schools. I work with students who are deaf or hard of hearing or who have auditory processing disorders in preschool through 12th grade. I provide direct services and consultative services based on the individual needs of my students. The students I support have IEPs or 504s. Since I work across all schools and all grades and collaborate with many classroom teachers, your child may have had me in their classroom at some point over the years. I've been in the field for over 30 years, and I have been on the Duxbury staff since 2011. My area of expertise is listening and spoken language. I'm a certified auditory verbal educator, and I'm especially interested in technology, and the audiological field has had amazing technological advances since I began in the field. For me, the advancement of cochlear implant technology, hearing aid technology, accessibility tools, and audiological technology has been exciting to witness. I would love to see captioning become universal, something that students, teachers, and all media creators would just automatically add captions to their work to make them accessible for everyone. I am looking forward to meeting your children this year. If you have any questions for me, please reach out. Thank you.